In today's video, we are reviewing Beelink SER5 Max Mini PC. If you want big PC power in a tiny box, this one might surprise you. Before we start, the link to this mini PC is in the description below at the best price in the market. Now let's jump right in and see what you actually get with the Beelink SER5 Max, and why so many people are choosing mini PCs for home, office, and even light gaming. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U, which gives you 8 cores and 16 threads, and it can boost up to 4.7 GHz, so it feels fast and responsive for everyday tasks and heavier work too. It comes with 24 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is great for smooth multitasking, meaning you can keep many tabs open, run office apps, and still edit photos or videos without the system slowing down. You also get a 500 GB NVMe SSD, so Windows and apps load quickly, and you can upgrade storage later if you need more space, including adding another SSD. For graphics, it uses AMD Radeon 680M integrated graphics, which is strong for an integrated GPU, so you can enjoy casual gaming like CS, Go, GTA 5, and other popular titles at playable settings, and it's also great for 4K video playback and creative apps like Photoshop and Premiere for basic to mid-level work. One of the best parts is the triple-screen 4K support, using HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C, which is perfect if you want a clean desk setup with multiple monitors for work, trading, studying, or content watching. Connectivity is also solid with Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless speeds, Bluetooth for your headphones or keyboard, and a 2.5G LAN port for stable wired internet. You also get plenty of ports for USB devices, audio, and accessories, plus a wall mount bracket so you can hide it behind a monitor and save space. Overall, the Beelink SER5 Max is best for students, office users, home setups, and anyone who wants strong performance in a small, quiet, and simple-to-use mini PC. If you want a compact computer that feels powerful, boots fast, runs smooth, and supports multiple screens, this is a great pick, and don't forget, the link to this mini PC is in the description below.